Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add another account in WhatsApp on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, note that currently, it is impossible to add multiple WhatsApp accounts in iOS. So, there's no way you'll be able to add another account or even log out directly. However, there's a workaround for that which will help you log in to another WhatsApp account instead of your current one. To do this, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Then, locate the General tab, which is usually located below Screen Time. Once you find it, tap on it and then access the iPhone storage feature. Now wait for it to load and then locate the WhatsApp application. Here, you just need to tap on the Offload App button. This will help you log out of WhatsApp. Also make sure to back up your data beforehand so there's no chance of loss. Once the app is offloaded, open the app again and sign into the other WhatsApp account. So that's basically how you can add another account in WhatsApp on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.